Grapes have long been a symbol of abundance and vitality. Whether eaten fresh, juiced, or dried into raisins, grapes offer incredible benefits for longevity and radiant health. Today, we explore the top 14 anti-aging secrets of grapes. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants to combat aging. Grapes, especially red, black, and purple varieties, are packed with antioxidants like resveratrol, flavonoids, and tannins. These antioxidants fight oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which are one of the major culprits behind premature aging, wrinkles, and chronic disease. Number 2. Resveratrol, the anti-aging superstar. Resveratrol, a compound found mainly in grape skins, has been studied for its remarkable anti-aging effects. It activates sirtuins, proteins that promote cell repair and longevity. Resveratrol may even mimic the effects of calorie restriction, a well-known factor in slowing aging. Number 3. Improves skin elasticity and glow. Grapes support collagen synthesis due to their high vitamin C content, which helps maintain skin firmness. Their natural alpha-hydroxy acids gently exfoliate the skin, promoting a brighter, younger-looking complexion. Number 4. Reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Regular consumption of grapes can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The polyphenols in grapes increase hydration and elasticity, two crucial factors for youthful skin. Number 5. Protects against UV damage. The resveratrol in grapes has photoprotective properties that guard your skin from harmful UV rays. It reduces inflammation and DNA damage caused by sun exposure, helping to delay photoaging. Number 6. Supports brain health and memory. Cognitive decline is one of the most dreaded effects of aging. Fortunately, grapes may help protect your brain. Their antioxidants improve blood flow to the brain, reduce neuroinflammation, and support memory retention and focus. Number 7. Keeps your heart young. Heart health is deeply tied to aging well. Grapes help maintain flexible arteries, reduce bad cholesterol, and prevent arterial plaque formation. These effects keep your cardiovascular system functioning efficiently as you age. Number 8. Boosts eye health. Age-related macular degeneration and vision problems are common with aging. Grapes contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the retina and improve night vision, helping preserve your eyesight. Number 9. Natural detoxification. Grapes support the liver and kidneys in flushing out toxins, which can accumulate over time and accelerate aging. Their water content also helps keep the skin hydrated and glowing. Number 10. Strengthens immunity. Aging weakens the immune system, but grapes can help boost it. Packed with vitamins C, K, and A, along with immune-boosting polyphenols, grapes strengthen your defenses against illness. Number 11. Promotes healthy digestion. Grapes contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps regulate digestion and supports gut health. A balanced gut microbiome is increasingly recognized as essential to aging gracefully. Number 12. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a hidden driver of aging and many age-related diseases. Grapes naturally reduce inflammation thanks to their high levels of flavonoids and polyphenols. Number 13. Helps in weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial to aging well. Grapes are low in calories, have a low glycemic index, and are rich in water, making them a great snack that satisfies your sweet tooth without the guilt. Number 14. Supports healthy hair growth. Resveratrol and vitamin E in grapes promote better scalp circulation and reduce oxidative stress, both of which support healthier, thicker hair as you age. So next time you snack on grapes, know you're nourishing your body in the most natural, delicious way. Like and subscribe for more health tips.